Now I'll read some of my new poems. Love poems. Yeah? We'll see. Okay. Not titled. As I wrap your body for the first time. As I wrap your body for the first time with my mischievous eyes, you fancy your face with fingers while your legs debate in a delightful fight. As you step forward like a girl on a rope with the veil of your hair breathing shadows on your face, I hold my breath at the tip of my tongue while my eyes get swallowed in your grace. As you tug me in your slender limbs with your eyes collecting my silence, I watch your face fill the room while my heart is baked at your bosom. And then we will say, okay, also not titled. When you tilt your head and squeeze your eyes while wearing your favorite earrings, I realize beauty. When you hold your hairpins in your mouth, as you comb your hair with your fingers, I realize beauty. When you dip your finger in a facial cream and draw a symbol of infinity on your palm, I realize beauty. When you rub your lips against each other and glaze them with your tongue, I realize beauty. When you group your fingers to your arm's length to check your polished nails, I realize beauty. When you stand before the living room mirror and twist and turn like a ballet dancer, I realize beauty. When you rush over to me while looking at a clock and kiss me goodbye in haste, I realize love. And last one. Because you have to end the love poem with something sad, no? So let me see. Okay. Also not titled. At the wake of an owl, silence stretches to all corners of my mind. The chest slurs on the broken breaths and tears draw the warm lines. I lay shrunk like a frozen shrimp, with hair unkempt and dishes undone. A broken man can only break, so I broke all that I could to different sounds and shapes. Glasses, vases, bottles and chairs, all things that I touched kiss my fermented rage. My wings were turned to feather, and the feathers were sharpened to darts. My tendons were locked into the past, where a flower has cast the curse. At the wake of an owl, loneliness echoed into the streets of Jackson Heights. Parked cars, ignored lampposts, stacked trashes next to the broken telephones. They all stare at me and whisper, "You are a walking cage, you are a walking cage." Tushan, thank you.